Hello and welcome back to Ingoa News. Don Bosco students, in collaboration with the Corporation of City of Panjim, conducted a beach cleanup drive at Miramar Beach under the motto Safai Apnao Bimari Bhagao. The initiative focused on promoting environmental awareness and public health. The event witnessed enthusiastic participation with students and volunteers working together to keep the beach clean and spread the message of maintaining hygiene to prevent illness.
I'd like to thank all the students for participating in the event. Panjim is trying to get to the top 50 when it comes to the Swachh Hurricane ranking. We're the first city in city in Goa is about this list. So I'd like to thank the students of Don Bosco College for actually having us getting this. Ma'am will give you more details about it.
So any message for the students? Has you been any message from your side for the
Just
students?
apart from what we said, see now we have a lot of issues with say dark spots and everything in the city that we're trying to rectify. So we are hoping to collaborate with colleges and schools throughout Panjim to actually address all of these issues. So we're actually having a meeting tomorrow to see how we can help. I mean, I'd just like to thank all the citizens.
Small bottle caps that were being filled, already half of that basket is filled, even though that's not even that much of a distance. Till now we've filled half of that basket, and that's really alarming because I don't think Goa at least has realized how big of an issue this is, and which is exactly why we have these cleanup sessions, these cleanup drives to raise awareness about these issues, so that at least from the students side, the students are aware and the students start from their own houses to make sure that there is cleanliness, there is no use of that much plastic, and they don't use plastic wherever they can. And I think that this is a very good initiative started by the Ecotiva Club, and I'm really thankful that I get to be a part of it.
And we are not even covered like 10% of it. Barely from there to here we walk, from the start of the beach till here, and still we have filled up half the basket with bottle caps. So we can see how the small things make such a big difference over here. So if we made a difference something else, like spoons or the straws, it would be even bigger. So like we just collected one of the pieces and we collected so much. So like that we can see like a tiny garbage piece we all throw everywhere, then makes like everybody throws one small piece, that's still a lot of pieces.
Ecotiva Club is a part of this. What do you like to say about Ecotiva Club? What are the activities you do?
Ecotiva Club tries to raise awareness to its students about various environmental activities. The last time we did a walk to the mangroves of behind Pato, where we showed them the importance of mangroves. The importance of mangroves and how they promote, like filter the water out, how they help grow the fishes. Like Goa, like everybody likes fish, and without mangroves the fish won't have a place to grow up in. So that's, I think, one of the most important things we did, that we raised awareness about mangroves, because people dump their garbage in the rivers, and that plastic bag also goes and chokes up the branches of the mangrove trees. That creates a problem. We also had a cleanup drive for e-waste. Now the batteries which are there, they leach lithium and all the other alkaline metals into the ground, which pollutes the whole groundwater system and makes it very difficult for plants to grow. So I think that drive also helped us a lot to raise awareness about all these different issues.
These youngsters who we have here, who are basically from different classes, like from first year to third year, and they are from different age groups. So we want them also to know about how they can segregate their waste at source level, so that they don't see what is happening around today. So we thought, like, first we'll start with these coastal cleanup drives, and then maybe we can initiate something which is from their home front. So this is what we try to do through our Eco Club, which is called as Ecotiva in Don Bosco College.
As your institution students are participating in this cleaning drive, what are the equipment you have given to them to?
So as of now, we have provided them with the gloves, the mask, the bean bags, okay, which is basically supported and managed and given to us by CCP Panjim and Feedback Foundation. Thanks to Sir Balaji, who is a part of the Feedback Foundation, because he has been very instrumental in getting this done and also helping in the collaboration. So he has helped us with all these resources that are important for us now, that is the gloves, the mask, the garbage bin bags. Plus there are karyakartas also who have been working in the workshop, are a part of this cleanup drive, and then immediately their trucks will come for the waste to be taken. So there's nothing which will remain here, but everything will be disposed directly.
So how many students are participating?
So as of now we have around 60, approximately 60 students, because we are having classes going on, so we have not brought in too many students. So half of them are the club members and the remaining are from different classes.
Don Bosco Ecotiva Club, what other activities do?
So besides the cleanup drive, we also concentrate on various environmental awareness programs. One is your plantation drives. We also have e-waste collection drives in the college happening. and different other activities which basically helps in understanding my role as, I'm not saying an environmentalist, but just as a lay citizen. How can we manage our waste at source? How can we think of not using paper in the way we are using as of now? How can we reduce on energy consumption? So these kind of activities like that basically helps us in creating as much awareness in the campus and outside the campus.
इसका टाइटल है सफाई अपनाओ बीमारी भगाओ और इसका रैंकिंग है पणजी सिटी इज द क्लीन सिटी ग्रीन सिटी और इसमें ये सिटी में जितना भी टूरिस्ट आते हैं दिस इज द टूरिस्ट प्लेस लेकिन यहाँ जो बीच है बीच पे हर एक टूरिस्ट प्लेस में नया नया टूरिस्ट आता है जो भी लोग आए जो भी पेट बॉटल है पानी की बॉटल हो टेट्रा हो जब उड़ाते हैं तो ये ना उड़ाए लोगों को एक मैसेज जाए और हर दिन जो भी आ रहा है अपना अपना वेस्ट हम अगर संभाल के रखें टेट्रा है तो मेरे बैग में रहे जैसा ये अभी प्लास्टिक है ये नॉन रिसाइकलेबल है इसको अलग से रखें तो ये अगर मैसेज लोगों को जाए पब्लिक को जाए तो पीपल विल गेट अवेयर हाउ टू सेग्रीगेट और दूसरा यहाँ फीडबैक फाउंडेशन का रोल जो है वी आर गिविंग हैंड होल्डिंग सपोर्ट टू सीसीपी वी आर मैनेजिंग द होल ड्राई वेस्ट ऑफ पंची सिटी देयर इज अ MRF डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम हैज़ बीन डेवलप्ड बाय द कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ द सिटी पंजी बहुत अच्छा इन्होंने जो मॉडल डेवलप किया है ये मॉडल सब जगह पे बोला जा रहा है पहचाना जा रहा है वेस्ट को जीरो फार्मूला दे दिया है सेग्रीगेट योर वेस्ट एट द सोर्स सेग्रीगेशन प्राइम फोकस गिवन बाय द सीसीपी और उसके साथ साथ टू वे जो वेस्ट निकलता है डोमेस्टिक लेवल से वो कम से कम 2 में सेग्रेट होता आ जाए गीला अलग सूखा अलग उसके बाद फर्दर सेग्रीगेशन है 4 वेज में 4 वेज पे 16 वेज में सोसाइटीज़ में 16 वेज मॉडल हैज़ बीन डेवलप बाय दिस CCP